A Russian court has suspended its verdict till the 28th of this month on a demand to ban the Bhagavad Gita, which a group linked to the Christian Orthodox Church has described as extremist. Here in India, the Lok Sabha was disrupted over the issue twice, with angry MPs demanding that India lodge a protest with Russia.
It wasn't Lokpal that created this ruckus in Parliament today, but a court hearing in a faraway Russian city that generated this heat. A group linked to the Christian Orthodox Church in Russia has petitioned court asking for a ban on a version of the Gita authored by ISKCON founder Swami Prabhupada. They say it is extremist literature and gives rise to social discord. The court has put off its judgment for a few days, but our MPs, who have seen 10 days of the winter session wasted over protests, were not satisfied.
निश्चित रूप से जितने कृष्ण भक्त हैं, गीता के जानने वाले लोग हैं, उनके मन में और गुस्सा और क्रोध होगा.
And unlike in recent weeks, this was one issue that had our MPs united. The BJP and the Congress joined hands with Lalu in his demand for the matter to be taken up diplomatically with Russia. The protests weren't limited to Delhi alone. In Kolkata, ISKCON members demonstrated outside the Russian consulate, demanding that the case in the Russian court be dismissed immediately.
सारे हिंदू लोग बहुत ही दुखित हुए हैं और हिंदू ही क्यों, अगर आप जानते हैं तो भगवत गीता को सभी फॉलो करते थे.
And with the protesters threatening to intensify their stir, many are asking if a session which has lost so many hours will see our MPs lock horns over yet another issue. With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, Alok Pandey, NDTV.